One day I went shopping for a greeting card at the local Safeway grocery store and kind of had this aha moment of what is ink and could we use algae for sustainable ink products, and that was the founding idea of starting this company. Traditional ink is about 80% petroleum and 20% pigments, and those pigments are often inorganic chemicals or petroleum-based, so those pigments are never biodegradable in current ink. And what we've been able to do is take dried algae and integrate it into an ink formulation so that when you see our products, you're actually seeing algae cells that we've glued onto a substrate like cardboard or paper. For every ton of algae that's grown, 2 tons of CO2 is pulled out of the air. And then we are making ink that is 100% biodegradable, so that if a product is in the landfill or it gets left out into just kind of the regular environment, it'll actually biodegrade into plant nutrients. It doesn't just biodegrade into other kind of toxic components. The ink industry is a very sluggish, old-school industry. As a startup, we're agile. We can change, in a week we can change what we're doing from the technical or business model standpoint. And we're kind of challenging the status quo, which I don't think a lot of people do when you're an $8 billion company that's 100 years old that's just kind of making revenue. The biggest value is just the network that Plug and Play brings. Being able to give a pitch to a room full of people, then have conversations later on with big corporations that kind of fit at least within our supply chain. Understanding who values that sustainability message and who's going to be an early adopter versus a later adopter. Having those conversations have been crucial. Even if somebody says that this isn't for us, that's great for us because it kind of puts us in the right direction.